Open the ABCproxy client. Next, select target countries and cities for screening. Click on the search. The IP addresses in this area are based on the filtering criteria. Click on Port Forward List, find the IP we just selected, click on the copy, open the OctoBrowser, click Quick Profile, click Set New Proxy. Here, select SOX5 or HTTPS, enter the replication IP address here, confirm, click on the Start, enter any site and everything works. You can also purchase proxies from a trusted shop in Telegram. Choose ABCproxy. Choose the number of proxies and confirm the purchase. Insert the received code into CDK and the LPS account is replenished. Thank you for watching.